let's make a cloud in the bottle. I will put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in this bottle and let me shake it to increase evaporation. Here is a bike pump with the cork, with the needle that is stuck through the cork. We will close this bottle and I will pump some air into the bottle to increase pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this cloud in the bottle. When I opened it, the pressure and temperature in the bottle dropped suddenly. Vapor condenses and turns into droplets. And look at this. Cloud in the bottle. You control your own cloud. Now, when I start pumping air into the bottle, look, it clears up.